Hello everyone! I hope you all celebrated Ganesh Chathurthi in an eco-friendly way. Here's a glimpse of Ganesh puja at my home. If you're wondering why there are 3 Ganeshas, this heartwarming picture will answer your question. We didn't want to disappoint these crazily easy inspired young artists. Hence, we had to bring them all. Convincing them for that immersion was the most difficult task, as they refused to give away their elephant-headed Ganapati Bappa. Finally, here's how we dissolved our Ganesha in water. To restore our memories with Ganesha, we poured this muddy water on our plants. Isn't this a great way to give it back to our Mother Nature? If you have encountered such a situation where kids don't let go their Ganeshas, please let us know through your comments. I hope you liked this video. This is your Sue signing off.